Welcome back to All In Driving. Today we're in the dark, but not for very long because we're going to swap out these halogens for some LEDs. So I don't think we need much more of an introduction. Let's go all in. So I went on eBay and found these LEDs from Fireflies LED. They're located in Texas. The kit comes with lights for the overhead, lights for the mirrors, lights under the doors, and one for the trunk. It also comes with a little removal tool so you don't have to worry about anything. So it should be pretty straightforward. We'll just start popping these off, swapping them out, and seeing if we like the way it looks. Well, we're never gonna find that. Should be pretty easy to just pop these right out. However, I know these halogen bulbs don't like skin contact, so I'm actually going to just use my sleeve to pull those out. I think it's something with the oil in your hands. Pop the LEDs right in there. Hopefully they're not too bright. I've seen some of these LEDs where they're just a little bright, a little too much, but I think we've got one working. Maybe it's the light then. So once the covers are on, we'll see how that looks. This one should go right here. All right. I dig that. Not too bright. Let's pop these. All right, let's do this one next. This one. Nope. There it goes. Perfect. It's hard to see this one. It's pretty bright. There we go. Now let's move to the doors. There we go. On the other side. We didn't see the end of the last one because my battery died, but it went pretty easily. Last thing we've got is a trunk light. You might be thinking, there's a trunk light? Yeah, there is. But hopefully we're gonna make it usable. So we're gonna pop this whole thing right out. Let's pop it out from the top. It's in, but there we go. There we go. Look at that, just like nothing. And that's actually a pretty good light compared to the other. All right. So that's it. That was a pretty easy job. The camera setup actually took me longer than the work itself. I really like these lights. They're not too bright to just kind of blow it out in here, but it feels more modern. It feels pretty good. These ones, if we add them in, oh, I'm gonna block you. If we add these in, looking pretty good. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's go all in. Let's go all in. Damn it. Let's go all in.